Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe to us, comment our videos, like them and share them. Today I'll be showing you how to make cabbage jollof. Cabbage jollof is an amazing meal for people that want to cut down on their carb or you want an alternative to rice. It is super delicious, it is easy to make and it's very healthy for you. So let's get started. Okay, for this sumptuous meal, we'll be needing cut cabbage, chicken breast. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use fish, beef, goat meat, or even fried egg, whatever you prefer. Carrots, green peppers, fresh tomatoes, olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever one you have, some seasoning cubes, black pepper, grated ginger and garlic, some chopped onions, spring onions, curry, salt to taste, and some lettuce for the garnishing. Okay, let's get started. I'll start first by marinating my chicken. I'm adding curry, some blended ginger and garlic, some seasoning cubes, some black pepper, and salt to taste. So I'll proceed to transferring it to my pot to stir fry. Okay, add some of your olive oil to stir fry your chicken. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit. Then you transfer your chicken. Remember, I told you this is optional. You can either use fish, fried egg, boiled egg, goat meat, whatever protein you desire. Okay, you turn it over to the other side to make sure both sides are brown. You have to be checking it to ensure it does not get burnt. Once the two sides are brown, you set it aside. Okay, the two sides are ready, so I'm going to set the chicken aside and we continue with our cooking. I'm going to add a little more oil to the pan, to the pot, sorry, and add some of my chopped onions. Add your garlic and ginger. And combine together. Then pour your fresh tomatoes. And fry it until it's a bit dry. Make sure you are continuously stirring your tomatoes so that it doesn't stick to the pot or get burnt. So as you can see, it's dried. I'm going to add my green peppers, my carrots, and combine everything together. Also, I'm going to be adding 1 seasoning cubes, curry, just 1/4 teaspoon of curry, black pepper, the same 1/4 spoon, and salt to taste. Combine everything together. At this point, I'm going to add back the chicken that I stir fried. This meal is healthy, delicious, and very easy to make. Have to test for salt. Everything is okay. I'll allow it to fry for another 2 minutes, then I'll add my cabbage. Okay, we are going to be adding the cabbage and we stir. We add and we combine everything together. Once you are done combining everything properly, I'm going to reduce my heat and allow it to sit for just 2 minutes. Then cover the pot. Okay, 2 minutes is here. Wow, can you see that? Looking so delicious. At this point we are adding our spring onions. Then we'll combine everything. Who is ready to eat with me? Going to put off the heat because our food is ready. Our cabbage jollof is ready. Can you see that looking so yummy? We've garnished it with our lettuce and I have to test it right now. I wish you are here with me. This is super delicious. Please make sure you try it at home. Remember, if you want an alternative to rice or you're on a low carb diet, this meal is amazing. It's super easy to make, healthy and delicious. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed to us at this point, make sure you do that. Press the subscription button, like and share our video. Thank you so much.